When it comes to the weather,
A 40% chance of a shower or thunderstorm this afternoon.
meteorologists say they're remembered more for what they get wrong than for what they get right.
You have to always, you don't dwell on your successes. You learn from your failures. You're only as good as your last forecast.
But forecasts today are more accurate than ever. It's the modern age. More data showing what's happening in the atmosphere. Faster supercomputers telling us what'll likely happen next.
You're really only as strong as your weakest link. Clearly, 4 years ago, our weakest link was we didn't have the computing capacity to implement the higher resolution models.
Meteorologists are now as good with their 5-day forecast as they were with their 3-day forecast in 2005. And take tomorrow's weather. Accuracy is approaching 80%, a winning percentage that beats any pro baseball team. A rain forecast moved up Game 2 of last year's World Series. When it comes to hurricanes, forecasters nearly set a record in 2005, predicting the paths of 28 storms. Last year's forecasts were nearly twice as good.
If you look at the track forecast accuracy over the last 10 to 20 years, depending on the forecast lead time that you're looking at, the errors have been cut roughly in half.
And it's not just hurricanes. The lead time for winter storms is up. There's also more warning time for flash floods, severe thunderstorms, and tornadoes.
One thing that is still an absolute is that in any time frame, no one can guarantee you a perfect forecast.
But more powerful tools have made human forecasters better at seeing the future. Alex Sands, The Associated Press, Atlanta.